Could you guess how much YouTube is paying my lazy dad for 263.3 thousand views? Put your guess in the comments. He made a video on how to wall mount a Dyson cordless vacuum. This is his video. In my opinion, it is very boring with an annoying boing sound, but I'll let you guess for yourself. If you are brave enough, you can even watch the whole video. I won't bore you too much with this video, so why not jump straight into the YouTube analytics. The video was first uploaded on the 25th of February 2016. In the last 7 days, his video only got 460 views, 11.7 hours of accumulated watch time. None of you subscribed to his channel through that video, and he earned $6.04 over 6 days, averaging $1 Australian a day, with a very decent RPM of $16.87. RPM is the amount of money earned per 1,000 views, but this varies daily. So over the last 27 days, $27.17 were generated with an RPM of $16.11. Over 89 days, $104.66. Last year, he made $421.82 with an RPM of $13.16. Since uploaded, we got 263.3k views. 16.5% were YouTube searches, 21.1% were suggested videos, and 57.2% came from an external source. The external traffic source were mainly Google searches. The search words were Dyson wall mount installation, Dyson V6, how to install a Dyson wall mount, Dyson V6. If you put those keywords in your title, it's very likely you will get more views. Overall, 7.5 thousand hours were wasted watching my dad's boring videos, with an average duration of 1 minute and 42 seconds, which equates to an audience retention of 65.5%. 83.9% of you like his videos? A big thank you to the 110 new subscribers, but 99.9% of you aren't subscribed. So stop what you're doing right now and smash that subscribe button and the notification bell to know when my dad has posted a new video. I know that most of you watching are from the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada. Almost 3 times more male watch this video and are between 25 and 44 years old. This video has generated $1,346.08 with an average RPM of $5.12. To summarize, this video has gotten 263,251 views since it was last uploaded, 7.5k watch time hours, 110 new subscribers, and earned $1,346.08. If you want to see more videos like this, please leave a comment down below. Please check out my dad's other videos where he cooks stuff in a big black machine I believe is called an air fryer. My dad also, when he's not very lazy, which is extremely rare, can help clean the house. Thank you for making it this far in the video. It's very much appreciated. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next video if I ever make another one. Also, if you want to watch the rest of the Dyson video, I'll leave the link in the description.